Hey pet readers, welcome to the Retrievers, a world, a destination, a quiet little corner for readers, and a community not bound by blood but beautifully connected by books. And I'm Shivangi, your own charioteer, uh, guiding you through the stories that don't just make you smile but sometimes leave you quietly emotional. So, are you ready to begin this journey? Let's get going. Let's be honest, if you're anything like me, someone whose first love is books, then I'm sure you know the feeling, that awe moment every time you hold a new story, flipping through the pages or find a quote that feels like it's just written for you. Today I'm sharing three books that completely changed my life in mindset, in perspective, in real actions every time. So, yes, I know you probably heard of many life changing books before, but these three they personally helped me grow, and I hope they do something similar for you too as well. Let's dive in. Okay. So here's our first book, 80% Mindset, 20% Skills by Dave Gadhvi. This was my reality check book. To be honest, I picked this up thinking, okay, another self help book, but I was wrong. This book gave me clarity about how your mindset literally controls 80% of your results in life, and skills only matter when your belief system is strong. So I completed this it within a week, which says a lot because I used to procrastinate while reading non-fictions. It also taught me a lesson: if you don't finish a book in the first few days, you slowly lose interest, and that's true for many things in life too. This book made me see how much power we have to reprogram our thinking if only we become aware of it. It's a practical, sharp, and speaks to anyone trying to shift their life with action. So now here's the second one, The 10 Times Rules by Grant Cardone. Now this book, it hits hard, like literally, really hard. The 10 times rule isn't just about working harder, it's about thinking bigger. It taught me if your goals don't scare you, they probably too small. This book pushed me out of my comfort zone. It made me think about all the areas where I was holding myself back just because I thought something was too ambitious. So it also introduced me to the idea of massive action, that you just don't take small steps and wait. You go bold, you go fast, you go 10 times. This one definitely made me more driven, and I keep coming back to it every when I feel stuck. Now, and here's the last one. The one I think everyone should read in their lifetime first. So, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. A timeless classic, not for a good reason. This book helped me become more empathetic, a better listener, and most importantly, a better communicator. This isn't about manipulation, it's about genuine human connection. Simple things like remembering names, giving honest appreciation, being a good listener, uh, they're not just good manners, they change relationships. In a world where everyone busy talking, this book reminded me how powerful it is just listen. You've definitely heard that sometimes it's better to be a good listener. There's a old phrase I have read, the art of conversation lies in listening, said by Malcolm Forbes. It taught me how to connect with people both in real life and online. And trust me, there's something that stays with you forever. So yes, These were the three books that truly changed my life. Um, they didn't just give me knowledge, they give me clarity about mindset, about action, about people. And now I would love to hear from you. What's one book that changed your life? Drop it in the comments. Maybe I will pick it up next. You never know. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because this is just the beginning of our journey. Together at Read Travers, let's traverse more stories one page at a time. See you in the next video. Bye bye, petty readers.